Welcome to the top 10 weight loss salads. In this video, we'll guide you through some of the best salads to help you lose weight and stay healthy. Let's get started. But before we dive into these delicious recipes, let's talk about why salads are such a powerful tool in your weight loss journey. Salads are not just low in calories, they are packed with nutrients, fiber, and antioxidants that can boost your metabolism, improve digestion, and keep you feeling fuller for longer. So, whether you're looking to shed a few pounds or simply eat healthier, these salads are your best friends. Now, let's get into the top 10 weight loss salads that will transform your meals and help you achieve your goals. You need to watch this if you struggle with weight loss. Welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into delicious, healthy food that won't leave you feeling bloated. We're talking top 10 weight loss salads. Stick around for the full food guide packed with tips and tricks. Number 1. This is gonna blow your mind. Let's kick things off with a classic, cucumber and tomato salad. Slice those cucumbers thin, dice those tomatoes, and season generously. A pinch of salt and pepper goes a long way. A drizzle of olive oil and a squeeze of lemon juice is all you need. This salad is perfect for a light lunch, a quick snack, or a side dish. It's light, refreshing, and won't leave you feeling heavy. Enjoy delicious, healthy meals that make you feel good. Number 2. I bet you didn't know this grilled chicken salad is packed with lean protein to keep you full and satisfied. It's not just any salad, it's a powerhouse of nutrition. Season that chicken with salt, pepper, and paprika, ensuring every bite is flavorful and delicious. Then grill it to perfection, achieving that perfect char and juicy tenderness. For the salad, chop up some romaine lettuce, cucumbers, and cherry tomatoes. These fresh veggies add a delightful crunch and vibrant color. Add a handful of nuts, like almonds or walnuts, for an extra boost of protein and a satisfying crunch. Nuts are also rich in healthy fats and essential nutrients. And don't forget the seeds. Sprinkle in some sunflower or pumpkin seeds for healthy fats and texture. Seeds are a great source of protein and fiber, aiding in digestion and keeping you full longer. For the dressing, whisk together olive oil, balsamic vinegar, Dijon mustard, and honey. This tangy vinaigrette ties all the flavors together beautifully. Drizzle it generously over your salad for that perfect finishing touch. This grilled chicken salad is a complete meal in itself, offering a balanced mix of nutrients. It's perfect for meal prep, allowing you to enjoy a nutritious meal without the hassle of daily cooking. Pack it in a lunchbox or meal prep container, and you have a healthy lunch or dinner ready to go anytime. Packed with protein from chicken, nuts, and seeds, along with healthy fats and fiber, this salad will keep you feeling full and energized throughout the day. Number 3. I bet you didn't know how nutritious this spinach and kale salad is. Massage kale with olive oil and lemon juice, and toss with baby spinach. Add toasted nuts and seeds, and some dried cranberries or chopped dates. For the dressing, whisk together olive oil, apple cider vinegar, Dijon mustard, and maple syrup. This spinach and kale salad is a nutritional powerhouse. Boost your immune system and keep you feeling your best. Number 4. Am I the only one that didn't know how amazing a berry and avocado salad could be? This berry and avocado salad is a flavor explosion. Use plump, juicy berries like strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, and blackberries. Make sure the avocado is perfectly ripe. Add some toasted almonds or pecans for crunch. For the dressing, whisk together olive oil, lime juice, honey, and a pinch of salt and pepper. This berry and avocado salad is a feast for the eyes and taste buds. It's a perfect balance of sweet, savory, and creamy, packed with healthy fats, fiber, and antioxidants. This is gonna blow your mind. Number 5. This lemon vinaigrette is a game changer. Start with good quality olive oil and freshly squeezed lemon juice. Whisk in Dijon mustard, honey, and a pinch of salt and pepper. This lemon vinaigrette will elevate any salad from bland to brilliant. Perfect for leafy greens, roasted vegetables, grilled chicken or fish. A versatile dressing that's a healthy and delicious alternative to store-bought dressings. Number 6. This quinoa and almond salad is a flavor and texture sensation. A delightful mix of crunchy, nutty, and sweet elements. Cook quinoa light and fluffy. Rinse thoroughly and use a 2:1 water to quinoa ratio. Add toasted almonds for a nutty flavor and crunch. Throw in dried cranberries or chopped dates for sweetness. Whisk olive oil, lemon juice, tahini, water, salt, and pepper for the dressing. This salad is a complete meal, perfect for lunch or dinner. Number 7. I will show you how to get the best Greek salad of your life. Start with crisp romaine lettuce, juicy tomatoes, sliced cucumbers, and red onion. Add Kalamata olives for a salty, briny flavor. No Greek salad is complete without feta cheese. For the dressing, drizzle olive oil, squeeze lemon juice, add oregano, and sprinkle salt and pepper. This Greek salad is a celebration of fresh Mediterranean flavors. Light, refreshing, and perfect for a light lunch or a side dish. Number 8. This is gonna blow your mind. This beet and goat cheese salad is a flavor combination that will blow your mind. Roast fresh beets until tender and sweet. Add creamy goat cheese for contrast. Toasted walnuts or pecans add crunch. For the dressing, whisk together olive oil, balsamic vinegar, Dijon mustard, and a pinch of salt and pepper. This beet and goat cheese salad is a symphony of flavors and textures, sweet, earthy, tangy, and crunchy. Number 9. What's something people don't know about plant-based salads? This chickpea salad is packed with protein, fiber, and flavor. Drain and rinse chickpeas, then mash them roughly. Add diced red onion, chopped celery, and fresh parsley for crunch and freshness. For the dressing, blend together ripe avocado, lemon juice, olive oil, water, and a pinch of salt and pepper. This chickpea salad is a celebration of plant-based goodness. Hearty, flavorful, and packed with nutrients. Perfect for a light lunch or a side dish. Enjoy the plant-powered goodness. Number 10. This lentil and veggie salad is hearty, flavorful, and packed with plant-based protein and fiber. It's a perfect dish for a nutritious and satisfying meal without compromising on taste. Cook green or brown lentils until tender, but still hold their shape. Lentils are rich in protein and high in essential nutrients like iron and folate. Add roasted vegetables like bell peppers, zucchini, and onions. Roasting brings out their natural sweetness and adds depth of flavor. For the dressing, whisk together olive oil, lemon juice, chopped fresh herbs, and a pinch of salt and pepper. This lemon herb vinaigrette adds a refreshing touch. This lentil and veggie salad is a symphony of textures and flavors. The crunchiness of the vegetables, the tenderness of the lentils, and the tanginess of the dressing create a delightful eating experience. Hearty, satisfying, and perfect for a healthy meal. Whether for a quick lunch or a light dinner, this salad fits the bill. Enjoy the delicious combination of lentils and veggies. Each bite is a burst of flavor and nutrition, making it a favorite among both adults and kids. There you have it, cracking salads packed with flavor and nutrients. Remember, eating healthy is about enjoying fresh, delicious food. Like, comment, and subscribe for more recipes. Check out the full food guide in the description. Until next time.